All right, I'm going to talk about the warm-up cream formula EP5, and it's a cream that helps prepare both the skin and the body for exercise. And the reason we did this product in the first instance is that athletes and people who enjoyed sport and exercise were looking for more than just a typical kind of heat cream. These creams are made generally for the pain of arthritis, to actually prepare them for sport. So the feedback that we got was that the cream, a new generation cream, was needed that was light, exercise specific, that it contained some heat in the cream, and it also had some other evidence-based ingredients that actually prepare the skin and also the body for exercise. The last thing, because we'd had a few products on the market by this stage, the other thing that people said is we want it to actually be Premax, in that it feels nice on the skin, it's nice for the skin, feels good, allows for kind of smooth, efficient movement. So we came up with the formula EP5, and 5 means that there's 5 key things in this cream that can help your skin and you prepare for sport. The first is it's got some warmth in there. So the warmth is very much a sensory stimulus. It's a different kind of heat that you'll get from some of the other heat creams, for instance. Most people describe the warmth of this product as like sitting next to an open fire. It sounds relaxing, but it does help prepare the skin and the body for exercise. We also included sodium bicarbonate. So sodium bicarbonate for the skin can help fight inflammation and soothe the skin. But many people in sport may know that it can actually help buffer acidic buildup in the blood and the muscles as well. So we've mainly put it in there for the skin, but there are some benefits to sodium bicarbonate other than that as well. Same goes for magnesium. It's well known for being great for tired bodies and for optimal muscular function, but it also helps the symptoms of dry and sensitive skin as well. So I've got a couple of ingredients in there that provide a layer of breathable, natural kind of protection from the rain, the wind, and also the cold, and to kind of keep the heat in to some extent as well. It's not greasy and your skin can still breathe, but it's a unique blend of 5 different things that can help prepare you for sport. There's a few other ingredients in there as well. We've got a really zesty scent, and so it doesn't smell like other heat creams. It does not stink like footy locker rooms. It smells of lime, grapefruit and orange. We've got aloe that will help soothe the skin, and also shea butter for skin softening and sealing in moisture. And also shea butter's also got some anti-inflammatory properties as well. So to apply this cream, about 1 teaspoon or about 5 mils would be enough for both your hamstrings and your quads on one side. Make sure you rub it in properly at least 5 minutes before exercise. If you haven't used this product before, just test it on a small area before you kind of apply it to a large area, just to make sure you agree with it. And then as far as reapplication goes, probably every 2 to 4 hours, depending on the conditions, like whether you're in water, the wind, how much you're sweating, for instance, as well. The last thing I'd suggest you do is actually, once you've applied it, is to wash your hands, because particularly during sport, if you start to sweat and you can start to wipe your brow or your eyes, then if the cream's still on your hand, it can sting your eyes. So be careful of that. It's not unique to our product. All those heat creams are the same.